I'm Hriday Tibrewala from my YouTube channel. Its name is also Hriday Tibrewala. And today we are going to make a tom-tom sumo. It's very easy. You just need a square paper. Not smaller than a A4 size square paper, but it will be too small. So let's start. First we'll take a square paper and fold it diagonally. And then open it. Then I'll fold it the other way diagonally. And then again open it. So till the center, then I'll fold all the four corners. Right now you think I'm making something else, but in the end just see what the result will come. Okay? So watch the video till the end, right? Or you won't be able to make the tom-tom sumo. And there's one special surprise after the tom-tom sumo also. The folds over here doesn't have to be perfect, right? Then again we will do from here till the center. Okay? Like this. If there is gap, it's okay, don't worry about it. Then we just flip it over, then we'll turn it this way,
flip it over again,
and then over here from the corner we'll till the center, we'll fold it and open this part and do the same thing on the other side. And then again open over here.
show your
You have something like this.
slowly.
Then
Front, show again front and back.
over here, this is the front portion you would have, and this is the back portion. So the next step is you just take this portion and then curve it until it comes till here, and then fold it. Okay.
Sure.
So we have something like this, and this will come up. If it doesn't come up automatically, you could just fold it from here up. It was like this. We just folded it up. Then
Okay.
it's right here like this. And then we'll flip it over. Then we'll fold this up till the corners it will come. Then we'll do something like this.
Wait, Hriday.
And then over here also we'll do something like this.
Like a cone.
Yeah. And then it will look something like a stand type. And then we'll just fold it in half.
Oh, beautiful.
And your tom-tom sumo is ready. So we made this because then it would be a stand, so our tom-tom sumo can stand up. So there I have already made before some. So now let's make the tom-tom sumo ring. So we'll keep the tom-tom sumo aside. Then we'll just take an empty box, something like this. Then on a A4 sheet or a square paper, we'll draw a circle. And if you want to color, you can. And then you just make two lines. And you can color the outside also if you want. Then I have took one of my tom-tom sumo and the other one we just made. I recommend using it with a thin paper because this one is a little bit thick. And then there will be two players, okay? So one player will tap here and the other one will be here. And then like I fell down out of the ring circle, so I am out and the other person wins. So that's how you make the tom-tom sumo. Bye guys, remember to like and subscribe the channel. Bye.